Welcome back to English Word Spoken and Written English. Today's topics, the subject, predicate and the rules of changing number. In the previous Spoken English Part 1, the discussed topics were description of alphabet, definition of words, sentences and syllables, person and person change. Now I am going to discuss about the chosen topics today. First we have to define subject. Before knowing the subject, we have to learn about the subject and the object. Basically, subject is got by questioning who, the object is got by questioning what. Definition of the subject: persons or things that are spoken of in a sentence. Predicate: word or words by which something is said about the subject. For example, I play football. I subject, play football, predicate. You are a handsome boy. You subject, are a handsome boy, predicate. Do your duty. Here you silent. So you will be subject, do your duty, predicate. It's a great problem to the people of the world. Its subject is a great problem to the people of the world, predicate. After completing this, we shall discuss about complements. The word or words that are added to the verb to make a complete predication are complements. Example: I made him laugh. Laugh, complement. I shall make you happy. Happy, complement. He said the points in order, complements. Okay, so the predicate, the subject, predicate and complements. I hope you have got the fresh ideas about this. Now I shall discuss about the changing methods of number. You know that number plays an important role to make English language incorrect. And if you want to apply correct English, so you have to memorize words, stock of words, you have to memorize interchange of words, you have to apply the correct using of number in the sentences. Okay, so we shall discuss about the serial ways of number changing. You know that 85% words are made plural by adding s. For example, bat bats, cat cats, room rooms, floor floors, roof roofs, mobile mobiles. Okay, 10% words which end in s, double s, sh, ch, th, x, z are made plural by adding es. For example, bus, bus, buses, dish, dish, dishes, fish, fishes, bush, bush, bushes, cloth, clothes, faith, faiths, catch, catches, match, matches, phase, phases, fox, foxes, and boxes. The changing methods of 5% words of making plural form are made plural the following steps. If the letter O is present before the consonant, so you have to join S with the word. For example, potato, potatoes, yes will be. You have to join yes with the word. Tomato, tomatoes. Okay. Motos. If the letter O is present before the vowel, you have to join es with the word. For example, radios, folios, studios. Okay. And some rules of some exceptional rules we have to follow. Basically, 5%. Some words are made plural by changing inside vowels. Example: child, children, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, woman, women. Okay. So the words which end in Y are made plural by adding IS. Baby, babies, lady, ladies, difficulty, difficulties. Okay. The words which end in QVY are made plural by adding IES. Soliloquy, soliloquies, obloquy, obloquies. The words which end in GHPH are made plural by adding S. Paragraph, paragraphs, autograph, autographs. The main part of the compound words are made plural by adding S. Governor general, governors general, father-in-law, fathers-in-law, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law, passer-by, passers-by, maid servant, maid servants. The two parts of the compound words are made plural by adding S. Men servant, man servant, men servants. Lord justice, lords justices. And you know that some of the English words are always singular and plural. Singular, such as furniture, expenditure. Okay. So like this, furniture, expenditure, and you know that when you are going to applying these words, you have to fix the words like singular and plural. Okay. So actually, singular number, singular like expenditure, furniture, and plural number: police, poultry, peasantry, gentry, vermin, the British, English. So these words are always singular and plural. And you will get some rules of foreign loan words which are coming from Hebrew, Scandinavian, Greek, Latin. These are totally dependent on memorizing. So if you want to collect these words, so you will consult with my books named English World. You will get the total list of these kinds of plurals from my book. And there are also some rules of exceptional plural system. So you have to memorize these words serially. So I advise the students to collect the book and consult yourself. To get more videos and from your home also, you will watch regular online classes on my YouTube channel. For getting the regular classes, you will never forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and you have to practice regularly each and everything discussed by me. Okay, let's finish the class. Thank you so much.